Hi children, good afternoon everyone. How are you? Yes, I hope you are fine and you are eating a very healthy food at your home. And the 4th class children, this is the English subject on the page number 52. Please open the page number 52 children. Yes, so we are going to do this, complete this exercise. Okay children, I hope you are ready with the pencil and your textbook. Let us start children. Read and answer. Read the poem again. What do these creatures do? Complete the sentences. Okay. Birds are fluttering in the air. Please write down children. Birds are fluttering in the air. Next one. Rabbits run and skip. Rabbits run and skip. Squirrels race along the buff, means branch. What they are doing children? Squirrels, they race along the buff. Buff means what children? Branch. You keep the full stop here. Next, mayflies rise and dip, means they are just growing up and they are down. Mayflies, yes, here these are the mayflies. Can you see? Were you able to see, right? Rabbits, frogs, the birds, yes, the snake, yes, these are the ants, yes. So these are the all they are the squirrels on the buffing on the branches. They are race along the buffs, means branches, right? Next, frogs, they are obviously croaking. The sound of the frogs is croak. Answer these questions. Why does the poet say? The silent snake goes creepy creep. The silent snake grows creepy creep. Why does this poet say? The poet is observing the snake. It is not fluttering, it is not dipping and sipping, it is not running to the branches, yes, and it is not singing, yes, but it is just going smoothly on the ground. Yes, that is the reason the poet said that it is creepy creep. Yes. The birdies sing and whistle loud. What the others birds make? So this is homework for you children. Let us see what you can do. They whistle and they sing children. They can hum, yes, the hummingbird, and they can the crows, they caw, yes. What are the other sounds that also you can write here? Okay. Next, match column B with the column A and column C. These are the movements of the animals. These are the animals. These are the sounds. Okay. Slither. Like they have given the first example children, slither. The movement of snake is slither and their sound is hiss. See, this is the snake, yes. Leap. Obviously, that movements are animals like tigers, and the sound they can roar. Roaring is one of the loudest sound in the jungle. Swim. Which animals can swim? Obviously ducks, and their sound is to quack quack, yes. Fly. Who can fly? The crows can fly. And what is the sound of the crows? That is caw. Please do this children. Spring. Obviously spring means hopping, okay. Spring, this is here the spring is not the season, okay. Spring, this is the movement of the animal. Which animal? That is frogs, and they croak. What is the sound of the frogs is croak, okay children. Now this you have to do the activity. Do this fun activity. Make a snake. What you have to do children? You have to make a snake. What are the things you require? Let us see. You will need a paper plate, color pens, a pair of scissors and some thread. Yes. Next, draw an oval shape. Oval shape is this, like children, oval shape. This is the oval shape children. Okay, you can find it. This is somewhat slighter to the what you call as circle. Okay, that is the oval shape. In the center of the paper plate, okay, in the center of the paper plate you have to draw the oval shape, okay. Starting at the oval, draw a line round and round 4 or 5 times till it reaches the edge of the plate, Cut along the spiral form outside towards the center. Outside towards the center you have to cut it, okay. And Draw the line around. Okay, 4 to 5 times you have to round, like it is a oval shape na children, so you have to just draw it along the edges of the plate. Okay, draw eyes on the oval shape. This is the oval shape is there, you have to draw the eyes on the oval shape. To make a snake head, you have to make a snake head. Okay, yes, color the snake's body, poke a small hole in the center and a piece of thread through the hole. Hang your snake up and see how twist round and round when you switch on the fan. So when you are doing with this one with the paper plate, just keep the hole in the center of this, and then you keep on the attached to the fan. Whenever you switch on the fan, it will just rotate like round and round, and you can see how it can work. Okay. So children, just keep it just on the page number 52. You just go through with this and make a with the paper plate you can make a snake, and just keep in the WhatsApp group either a video, either a picture, so that we can understand that you are learning or not. Okay children, I hope you will be definitely you will feel good while making this. Okay children, so we have completed the textbook portion, and then we will complete the worksheets also. So whenever you are doing the worksheets, please pay attention and do the correct things. What we will say when the capital letters are using, when we are not using the capital letters, please do. And if at all you have any problem, please ask us. Okay children, take care children, bye.